Today, we have the Creative Pebble Pro USB speaker system. Are you looking for a new upgrade to your desk setup? You need something clean, powerful, sleek, and simple to immerse yourself even further? Well, like I've told all my dates before, don't let the size fool you. It can and will pack a punch for any setup. It also has Bluetooth 5.3 enabled system for the perfect upgrade option. Someone was the old speaker system or a default speaker coming from your monitor. All right, time to unbox this bad boy. This is a USB Type-C speaker with clear dialogue processing and flex bass technology. Right off the bat, we have this plastic. It comes with 3 different types of wires. We'll show you in a bit. It has 2 USB cables, a USB to USB-C, and of course an aux cord, which I think is really great to have in 2023. Right, see this, bubble wrapped. Everyone loves bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. I'm gonna play with this after we're done recording. Put that there. Stand it up like this. Ooh, I like how it looks. It has a 45-degree angle, so it's like straight to your face and ears. We love that. And it has this like greenish tint. It's not like just black, which I kind of like. I kind of like how it looks. All right, let's take a deeper look inside of this bad boy. All right, off the bat, you can tell there's a green tint to it. Reminds me of the Green Goblin. I like that. I'm a big Spider-Man fan. On the bottom, there's RGB when music plays. And on the back, you have the USB-C and USB-C PD ports and an aux port. And on the side, you have the 3.5mm ports for headphones and microphones. Then we have on the front the knob for volume and the 2 buttons for RGB on or off. And for the wires, it comes with a USB-C to USB Type-A, a USB to USB-C, and a 3.5mm TRS cable, which I think is great to see in 2023. Moving on to the specs of this, each one contains 10 watts, which makes a total of 20 watts. However, if you plug in an external power supply, it can go all the way up to 60 watts, which is really loud. And then other stuff I really like about it is its 45-degree angle to point directly to your face for a better hearing experience. And overall, just like aesthetically, I think it's really cute and it would fit any setup. I think it would fit my setup really well. Okay, you already know what I think about these. I love them. Let's do a sound test. This is what 20 watts sounds like powered by USB at full volume. As you can tell, we have the mic near my head to replicate my ears. Then as you can see, it's kind of peeking towards the eye. This is what 60 watts of power sounds like. And as you can see from the 60 watts, you get roughly about a 2 decibel boost. All right, that wraps up the sound test. I don't know about you, but I definitely heard a difference between the 20 watts and the 60 watts. We'll see how it sounds on YouTube, but in real life, it makes a difference. Let us know in the comments if you plan on picking these up, and if you already have a speaker like this one. And that concludes our episode of Unpack It of the Creative Pebble Pro. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Why not? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.